Let's see if this story rings true for anyone. It's the story of an organization that one day wakes up and discovers that it has a business need to automate some decisions. And even though this is a business requirement, the first thing that happens is we begin discussing how technically we're going to solve the problem. We need a solution. So what happens is, maybe invariably, it's the technical team that draws up the details of this decision-making engine. And it feels good because we've got the answer. Here we are with our decision-making engine. Everybody's happy. But of course, there's a spanner in the works. The spanner in the works is twofold. One, turns out that we didn't correctly interpret the logic that the business needed. And secondly, we realized that this is only one brick in a wall. We need this business logic in many different places, in many different channels. So faced with this challenge, what do? We get out the toolbox and we start spending money. So we redevelop the same logic engine in different technologies and different languages. Let's code it all again. And we repeat this into some kind of giant black hole spiral of money until we have no more time and no more money left. And we still haven't got a unified decision automation engine. So now what? Well, if we'd chosen to start with Oracle Intelligent Advisor, we could have stayed pretty zen. Because with Oracle Intelligent Advisor, we could tick all those boxes. We could have multiple channels like chat and integration servers. We could have different web services. We could save money in the long term. We could have more channels, be better integrated, and of course get much better buy-in from the business because they can help us build it. And we would have been champions. But let's face it, it's probably too late. If it isn't too late, go get Oracle Intelligent Advisor.